So today we're going to be taking part in a challenge. Now, look around the room, the other tables, that is your competition for today. You're going to be taking on each other in this competition, and two groups will have the chance to go to the national final, which you'll be taking on other schools and colleges from across the region in this challenge. It's an amazing day. It's at Stratford. It's a really great day, and there will be some professionals there from the FCA.
The challenge is, how can the FCA protect individuals and businesses from these AI-generated scams? Working in your teams, we want you to identify one group of people who may be more susceptible to an AI-generated financial scam.
Thank you very much, everyone, for allowing me to be part of the panel. It was an absolute privilege to see you working on this presentation and all the hard work that's gone in behind it. We really enjoyed, across the piece, the sort of animation and inventiveness that you put into the presentation. The two winners are, firstly, the first presentation we saw, Scam Prevention Guide. Scam Prevention. The second choice was Start Safe. Give me a round of applause, Start Safe! Follow up before I start.